Hello everybody, welcome back to another iPhone video. In this one, I'm going to talk to you about the upcoming A17 chip and the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. I was on Mac Rumors today. You'll see it running behind me. A leaker that goes by the name of Unknown Z21. Well, this person has leaked what they believe to be the current specs for these models. Now, as you are probably aware, the current A16 chip, which powers the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, it has a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU. Now, the new chip, the A17, which is built on the 3nm process, well, it's going to have the same number of CPUs, cores, at 6, and it's going to have one more GPU core at 6 as well. So it's going to be 6 and 6 versus the 6-core CPU and 5-core GPU on the current model. So this is a very small increase. That said, the A17 will feature a 3.70 gigahertz maximum clock rate, which is an increase from the current 3.46 gigahertz. So there's a modest increase there, but all in all, a little bit of improvement in the graphical side of things, a little bit of a faster chip, but a little underwhelming if you ask me. Now, let's talk about the RAM. So the RAM is a little bit more up in the air, but according to Unknown Z21, their best guess is that this is actually only going to come with 6 gigabytes of RAM, which is unfortunate because a lot of people were hoping for 8 gigabytes so that your phone could have the same amount of RAM as your laptop, for example. So for those of you that have 500 Safari tabs open, bad luck. Anyways, all in all, guys, it sounds like, it's going to be a little faster. It's going to have a little more battery life. It's going to have a little bit more graphical capabilities, but it's just a basic upgrade, if you ask me. It's very modest, very lightweight. I mean, it's not a big jump, so I don't think it can justify me going from a 14 to a 15 unless they add in some killer features that I don't know about. But let me know your opinion. Does this sound like something that could make you upgrade from a 14 to a 15? I don't think so, but that's where I am on this. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.